You can't have 6 in a bus for Christmas. Or can you? Oh, here we go. Girls excited?
Yeah! All aboard.
Right, you ready, girls? 4-wheel drive, diff lock. So we've arrived in the middle of nowhere. First problem, the dog is at all our tinsel. Somehow the decorations has fallen on top of the cage. First things first is to turn the oven on. Get the food in for the girls. Be free. Go live in the woods. And also the heat from the oven keeps the bus nice and toasty. We're not quite level here either, so I think we'll have to move.
If anything, it's not level like, how can I put it? It's on a little bit of a slant backwards, so...
We can cook on it.
Yeah, it's fine. We picked up all the girls from school and we were down here by 4:30.
4:30.
How the hell did we do that? Whoa. That is an absolute miracle.
Look who's joined us. He's not stopping tonight, but you're famous now in the local, yeah?
In the local, yeah.
Bushcraft Barry is stuck. Everyone calls him Bushcraft Barry when he walks in.
And my dog.
Oh yeah, and
lost.
Neil's lost forever now.
Oh, for fuck's sake! No!
If you're new around here, full burner. What have you got? Cottage pie?
Shepherd's pie.
Shepherd's pie.
It's a lamb one.
Girls got lasagna and I forgot my meal. Yeah, we're not going to have a big meal tonight because tomorrow is going to be the creme de la creme. Full Christmas dinner.
I was going to say, should we get the bus sorted?
The girls, we was going to get the girls to do the decks, but I think they're out playing, climbing the mountain.
I no doubt we'll have mountain goats.
Keep.
No! He threw outside, girls.
Hey.
I didn't make it.
Ah.
No, that's a snowflake.
That's it, Adelaide.
Decorate for our Halloween. Onions. Do it.
Hey. Oh, it's feeling a lot like Christmas.
Red and white.
Toast one side.
I know what.
Five gold rings.
Unless you want to make spin yourself. All about effort. Christmas tree. Lights. What are they called? These are called
Were you in the
Chains.
There's a generation where decorations always went from the middle of the room to each corner.
Oh yeah, they were like
There's
that.
like tinsely stuff.
Shiny.
There's some presents behind there, down there.
Look at the outside of the wrapper.
I'll be up. It's gonna be up there.
Who's that?
Who's that?
A plate of prawns.
Oh.
Caribbean style sweet chili sauce. Cheers. I don't know if it's a British thing, but making a sandwich out of every meal is
Chip butty.
something I definitely do all the time.
Chip butty. Crisp butty.
Now, I'm gonna attack some gingerbread men.
We're going to take the time.
Ow!
Yes, we do have a rolling pin, Dad.
Oh yeah, you do actually. Good thinking. Got this in the summer.
What is your boyfriend called?
Bit of daddy's juice.
What's your boyfriend called? It's Harley's baby.
Cheers.
Start singing. That's James in the morning. What?
Scared?
Finger! Have you snapped it like 50,000?
Oh yeah, all right, down by you. One is the one. Oh, rips at it. Oh,
Number 21. A penguin with headphones. Number 6. A bubble with a green background.
Have you got a box? Bigger!
drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords are left with 5. Like, 5?
Reindeer have a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him,
Them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always had to be.
If you can feel, then there's no
Can't hold it back anymore.
ding-a-ling-a-ling. Met office. See what the weather is tonight and tomorrow. All the way to 9 o'clock in the morning. You go pee on the bed now. On in bed. Done. It's the sound of night time. Oh, yes.
He loves the comfort of the
He
quilt.
does, he loves the bed. Bed's sorted. We've lost Red. Chantal's not too long. So cosy. Spotlights on, door open. Go up. Go on, go easy. Go easy, go on. I know it's raining, boy. I know. He doesn't want to go. Go on, go easy. Don't be. Is you scared? Good morning. First of all, I know this is tight. I know you've probably seen it this morning. It is 3 years old. And 3 years ago I was a lot skinnier than this. We both was. So this morning I got up early.
Yeah, fair play to you.
Got the beef in the oven. I did. We were supposed to have a 6, but it was later night than we planned. The girls fed themselves with breakfast, yeah. And now we're getting our Christmas dinner on the go. And this is a challenge we've always wanted to do, is can we do a roast dinner in this kitchen? Because we do have a lot of space. We are quite spoiled. Sometimes we take it for granted. We've got this space and we've got a nice bit of space behind us. So it's been good so far.
So we've got the beef cooked, the oven's full, carrots and sweet on, bit of mushy peas, pigs in blankets going, stuff in.
Yeah.
What more could you want on roast? Yeah. It's quite cosy down here though, isn't it? Because obviously it's forecast like 50-60 mile an hour winds today. Because we're in the dip of the quarry,
Yeah.
we're not feeling any of it.
That's the thing, this location is good because we're in the woods, but we've also got, it's not a muddy ground, it's like a hard standing. Plus we're protected by a bit of a cliff. And the wind direction is going straight over the cliff. We can hear it. And we can see the trees.
Yeah, I know. So as soon as we get out this little quarry, we're like
Yeah, yeah.
Rip's been loving it though, isn't he? Bless him. It's
Yep.
perfect for him. He can't literally run it anywhere because like you've got the quarry, and you can obviously with the windows in the bus, you can literally just see him do whatever.
Yeah, we've got good 360 views of where he is.
But now he has gone for a little stroll up the cliff,
Which happens to be behind
which
the
happens to
bathroom.
be, yeah. But yeah, Harley's just gone to look for him. But fair play to him though, he's really good. He'll
He is
have
good.
his little sniff round, have his little wander, and then he'll just come back, double check that we're still here, give him a treat when he heals. When he heals.
Yeah. We can have food, get into a food coma, and then burn it off with a walk. Wrong way round, I know.
Andrew's suckling.
It's like pulled beef. Thank you for the food in my belly and Bay watching telly. Amen. Yep. When we sat down for food, typically the battery alarm was going off on the inverter, so we had to start the engine up to give it a charge. The battery system running the fridge, and although the oven's gas, it has got a fan inside, so that's running continuously. Because when I woke up like 8 o'clock this morning to put the beef in, 'cause it gets dark early, so you're getting dark at 4:30 or 5.
And the Christmas lights.
And the Christmas lights. And it was running the lights this morning as well, so well, that's done really well. especially in the winter when you don't get much sun rays. You are fighting a power situation with this bus. Start the engine. Really, you should run it for like probably hour and a half, 2 hours a day. Ideally run it when it's cold, so you've got heating from the engine as well, so you're not wasting too much energy. That's one thing about some conversions. Some people don't install toilets. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you need to go. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, even if you're in a parking lot, where do you go? Yes, you can find public toilets, but they're not always available. Our advice is, especially if you've got kids, if you're going to build a van or a bus, install a toilet. Whether it's a chemical toilet or a compost, just get one installed. And then decide about a shower. So cooking in a big bus, big kitchen is good, but then you got to wash up. Luckily you got this awesome sink.
Oh, I thought you were going to say awesome washer upper then.
We've got this sink from B&Q and it's perfect. Super deep. So if you don't want to wash up, everything just be chucked in there. Like the chopping board, strainer, plate holder just slides back and forth on the top. Good design, good invention, it's good for space saving. I think in all that was success. I think the girls had a good time. That's the main thing there.
Really good, really good. Do you know what, I'm surprised that we actually did everything that we wanted to do as well.
I think we could be a little bit biased because I think we're just weekend warriors.
Definitely.
Like every time you go on the bus, it's like a holiday for us. It might be different if you live in a bus, or a van full time. You probably noticed the girls aren't in their seats. You probably see them back there in the on the chair. That's because we're not on a public road yet. I know people will be commenting, we could live in this full time. I just don't think it'd be fair on our eldest. The youngest love it. I think the eldest, she needs her space, doesn't she?
Yeah. I mean, I think we all obviously do need our space. If we were to live in like something like this full time, then we just have to go for something bigger where you have got your separate rooms. Like,
got your room, like, yeah.
You know, you got your own little cubby space in the bus, so to speak. Where you keep like everyone keeps their own personal things. Sort of like a bath. I would love a bath. Honestly, that would be the pinnacle.
A bath.
A bath.
Well.
Yeah, you know, like you see these double deckers, you have people doing a bath on the top floor, which is actually looking out the window, so you've got a bath with a view.
Well, on that bombshell, thanks for watching the video. And if you like this adventure, then click here to watch our next video. No.
Nice.